this is Arissa. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing this camera backpack. Just to give a little bit of background about why I was trying to look for camera backpacks, I actually went to Iceland in June. So in preparation for this trip, I felt that a backpack would probably be more useful in carrying around all my camera equipment. I knew I was going to take a lot of videos and photos while I was in Iceland, so I needed a camera backpack to be able to carry all my gear with me. I actually ended up buying the Didnt Provoke 21. At that time, I felt that it was suitable for my needs and also had a lot of compartment. It was objectively a very good camera bag. But unfortunately, during my trip to Iceland, when I was carrying around the Didnt Provoke 21 liters, the bag felt really heavy, and even with the chest strap and the waist straps, it was just too much. On my first day while I was hiking, I felt like I was going to die. So fast forward to after the trip, I was feeling really disappointed with the bag. Not because it's not a good bag, I really still do love the bag, but I felt that it didn't suit my needs and it was just too heavy for me. So what I look for in a camera backpack is it shouldn't look like a camera backpack. So I didn't want to carry the Peak Design everyday backpack. I'm sorry Peak Design, I love you, but everybody carries your bag and it's too obvious that it's a camera bag, and I don't want to get robbed when I'm traveling. So the Vinta Supply company Type 2, I'm just going to call it Type 2 from now, is the perfect backpack because it looks like a regular backpack. I like that it's really structured and has very clean lines, very minimalistic, but yet at the same time, it has a lot of compartments that I need and I can use. So the camera backpack comes with the camera cube as well as a fuel pack, they call it. So the camera cube is actually really generous. I managed to fit lots of stuff inside the camera cube. You can't see my camera body because I'm using it right now, but I'm using the Sony A7 III. And in my bag, I have to show you this really carefully. So I have a 1635 G Master in here. I have my Osmo Pocket, some Peak Design straps, and also a small tripod. So let me just take this out. So the space is really generous. And there are also a couple of compartments here that I use to keep some cables and also my small rig tools so that I can change out of my plates easily. Yeah, so that's really useful. So the quality of the camera pouch itself is really great. It's made of the same material on the outside and it's waterproof. You can see from the zippers here, they're waterproof. So this camera cube can function as its own bag as well. So it's got straps and a hook. I was really surprised by the straps because I did not expect them to give us leather straps. This is so beautiful. Its hardware is also black, which I really love. So what this does is it kind of hooks on to the side. So you can carry this around as its own camera bag when you're traveling. If you don't want to bring a bag, if you don't want to bring out the backpack. So it has pockets by the side that you can put stuff in, and it's just overall really beautiful to look at. I mean, look at this. It's gorgeous. So I don't usually carry like this. I have other bags that I use if I want a smaller setup. But this is really good. The quality is just beautiful. And together with the camera kit comes with this field pouch. This longish shape makes it really good for carrying mics around. So I have this video mic Go, and I also have my H1N recorder from Zoom. And this field pouch also has its own zipper storage on the front. So you can put in extra cables if you want it separated. So this is great. The backpack itself is also really well made. You've got a strap at the back over here that you can just slip through your carry-on luggage's handles so it doesn't move around, so you don't have to keep on carrying it. The front has a flap which is magnetic. easy for you to open up your stuff without fearing that people are actually going to steal stuff. So there is another compartment here which you can put stuff in, and over here is that shelf for the field pack. But if you want it to function as an everyday carry, you can actually take the shelf apart and it just gives you a continuous single compartment for you to put things in. So over here you'll be able to see that it has a compartment for your laptops. I was told that it fits up to a 15-inch if accessed from the top, but I think from the back it's only 13. I'm not sure, but if you'd like to dispute my claims, please leave me a comment below. On the front, there is also another compartment where you can put your knickknacks, your pens, maybe your passport. I don't know. I hardly use this because if I put anything bulky inside, I feel like it might destroy the shape. The accents are really nice. They're made of leather. You can see this zipper pull is made of leather. Over here, there's a D-ring that's held by leather. And even the side pocket has like a piece of leather. I don't know why, but it's really pretty. And then over here, actually on both sides you get extendable pockets. So you can stuff a water bottle, maybe a shorter tripod. If it swings around, if it swings around, you can use this accessory strap over here to kind of hold it in place. I love this, it's leather. And also I bought an accessory strap. So what I found with my 100 was that I needed the accessory strap so that I was able to hook on the tripod at the bottom of my bag. So I kind of figured I probably need this as well. So I got some leather straps at the bottom so you can kind of slip in your tripod. So the inside of it is, So the inside of it is really clean. So you have a shelf over here, which I mentioned that you can remove to have a single continuous compartment. If you don't want to, that's okay as well. You can compartmentalize your bag like you compartmentalize your feelings. Over here at the back, you can put in your laptop. And there is also a separate zipper pouch over here that you can put in something else. Oh, it doesn't go all the way through though. It's only about like this much, so it can't be a big thing. Maybe your passport, maybe you want to hide the passport in there. And also the back of this bag has a cushion, so it actually feels really nice on the back. So the main thing I like about this bag is how light it is without any of my camera equipment inside. This really takes the weight off my bag, literally. So another thing I like about it is also the sleek design. I mean, this bag is so beautiful. I can't stop raving about how gorgeous this is. This totally goes with my aesthetics because I only wear black and everything here is just beautiful. It's black, the hardware is black, it's leather, and it's just beautiful. So what I don't like about this bag, maybe the lack of chest straps. I still feel that, you know, the chest straps can help take a little bit of the weight off. I felt that after I adjusted the straps to the right length, it just kind of flops around. So I just kind of had to hold it together with something like this to keep it organized. Yeah. And I have to say, this bag is a little bit on the pricey end. It's $284 US with the camera cube and the field pack. And I had to pay another $34 or $35 US for these accessory straps, which I felt were a little bit pricey. So they could have just included them. I mean, they're just leather straps, right? So yeah, by comparison, the 100 Provoke 21 liters is kind of cheaper than this Vinta Type 2, but if it doesn't suit your needs, then no matter how cheap it is, it's just not gonna work for you. So I was happy to be able to have sold it to somebody who would love the bag more and then get myself this Vinta Type 2 so that it will suit my needs. So I hope this video has been useful in helping you decide whether or not the Vinta Type 2 camera backpack is for you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post new videos. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.